customers. What have they done that you have to invade the kitchen? We have our food there. We have our food in the kitchen. You cannot invade the kitchen. Go out. It's not a public place for you. You go out to the gate. Go outside the gate. You will not be allowed in the kitchen. We cannot allow you in the kitchen. Where did I get you from? Where did I get you from? Where did I get you from? In the kitchen. You stupid people. What profession is this? They want to give us poison. I got them in the kitchen.
What were you doing in the kitchen?
In the kitchen, can you imagine?
What were you doing in the kitchen?
Which kitchen have you seen?
What were you doing in the kitchen?
Where did I get you from?
Where have you got?
Can you get outside the gate?
You cannot get me out.
Get outside the gate. This is not your home.
Hey, move.
Not your home.
Move. You were found.
The management here. Where is the management here? There is a conference going on. You cannot invade the kitchen. We cannot allow that.
You cannot come to the kitchen. Just get out. Get out.
You cannot. You cannot. You move out.
You want to gather. You don't go in the kitchen. You want to kill us.
Go away.
Poison us.
In the kitchen. Can you imagine?
Hey, you want to poison us?
You go. You are wasting our time. You need to get out of here.
Hey, you want to poison us?
You go with them. You go with them. He's their commander.
You want to poison us? Hey, you're in the kitchen, want to poison us?
Can you imagine? Yes. 3 of them. I got them there.
You want to poison us?
Now you want to kill another one.
Bullshit.
In the kitchen?
In the kitchen. 3 of useless people. What kind of professionalism is that? Yeah?
We've already lost a person, a full person. TVs has promoted and demoted people.
What's he doing like, I mean, the opportunity he want to take you, like he talk with you, slowly, very nice.
Sana, sahi. You're looking at the class. These are good health.
Yes.